Hello everyone, welcome back to Code Studio, and in this video we'll be discussing the editorial to the problem word capitalization, which appeared in Codeforces Round 172 Div.2. This I would say is the most easiest problem of the watermelon on Codeforces because this is as easy as it looks. This is pretty implementation problem. This won't take more than 3 to 4 lines of code, and this is quite easy to understand. There's nothing. The crux of this question is you'll be given a string of characters which consists of both uppercase and lowercase characters, and you need to capitalize only the first character of this word. That is, let's just say in this example this is 𝐾𝐽𝐴C, and you need to capitalize only the K, which is the first character. You need to capitalize only this first K, right? So, and you'll written capital K and the same string as it is. In the second thing also, you'll let's just say the first example, the first character is already capitalized, so you don't need to do anything. You just leave it capitalized and the rest string as it is. So this is quite simple, right? So let's just go directly into our code editor and start coding for this question. So basically, let me take the input for the string first. So I took the input for the string, and next what I would be doing is basically I'll be checking if the word is already capitalized or not, if the character is already capitalized or not. So we can access the first character using string of 0. If string of 0 is greater than or equal to small a, that means it's a small letter. So if it's small a, what I'll do is basically string of 0 plus equal to minus equal to 32, which basically what it'll do is basically it will convert this capital A into small a, right? Or it will convert any given small letter into its capital form by doing a minus of 32. This is a normal ASCII comparison or ASCII thing that you need to know. And now what I'll do is basically I'll see out the string with an end line character. Like, this is quite simple, right? I'm just printing this now onto the screen. So you know it'll always print the apple. So let me just take second example and let's just run this code. So yeah, it convert k into k, and let me just take small a as an input, some example, right? I just run this, so it gives capital A. So I'm just copy this and submit this to our judge to check if the question we did is perfectly fine. So it's running and it got accepted. So you got it right. This is quite simple, and when you see such pretty ad hoc problems in your Codeforces round, you need to be pretty fast in implementing it. You need to be pretty fast writing the code and stuff, and you need to know basic ASCII manipulations. That is, if a given character is a small uppercase letter, then to convert it you need to add 32 to it, the character, and if it's already lowercase, to convert it into an uppercase you need to subtract it by 32. So this is it for this question. If you like this video, please hit the like down below. If you love the content on this channel, please hit the subscribe button and share this to all your programming friends. Thanks and bye.